If I drink, I die. If I eat, I'm fine. What am I?
If you drink, you die, and if you eat, you're fine. No more ants, man.
What's up, people? You know, so it's your boy J Tex official. You see me? And we're there here with a freaking banger. Yeah, you don't know it, go. You see me? Just stay tuned. You see me? Me even not gonna do too much talking because the public interview is hot. When me say flames, pyrokinetic energy. Oh.
But bro, J Tex there in our place today. Why pray?
We're there right now. You see me? YG.
Don't talk.
Alright, people, this is your boy J Tex. You know, we're here with a public interview, and we are here with
Miss V.
Okay, Miss V. So we are going to just ask you a few simple little questions, nothing too tough. The first one would be, what can be caught but never thrown? Yeah, what can be caught but never thrown?
Virus?
So virus can be caught but never thrown. You sure?
Sure.
Alright. Now after you said come on before me give you the answer, right? So I am so fragile that if you say my name you'll break. What am I? I am so fragile that if you say my name I break. What am I?
2,000 years later.
No clue.
Alright. So the first question, what can be caught but never thrown, was cold. And the last one was silence. I am so fragile that if you say my name, yeah, you, yeah, but that one there, yeah, subliminally it bad. Yeah, so thank you for that. And where we can find you?
VIC gift shop.
Alright, so you can find Miss V
Miss V.
at VIC gift shop. Alright, so people, check out the gift shop, VIC, don't forget it. Which part? Tell them.
And Bottom Road.
Alright.
On Bottom Road.
Be right back to show you the letter Y. Come on, come on. Over here. Okay. Y.
Alright, thank you very much, Miss Beautiful V.
Alright.
Welcome back, crazy gang. I don't know, say your boy Black Boy there with J Tex and with the beautiful
Kiara.
Alright, Kiara, we have some simple questions for you. Alright, name one color that every Jamaican can smell.
Green.
You know, so most of we ask don't get it right. Alright, tell me one thing where always run but cannot walk.
Some always run, I can't walk. What that there? Always run, I can't walk. What that there now? I swear something I know. But really don't know I can't.
Alright, me ask one next one, let me tell you the answer. Tell me, alright. Tell me what starts with a L, ends with a R, but only have one letter in it.
L. Liar. I don't know, liar.
Alright, the first one, water. Water always run and can't.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah. And the letter.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Alright, thanks, here.
Alright.
Like it.
Oh, that just show me.
Yeah.
Alright, tell the people them where them can find you on Instagram.
You can find me at Drake1_mommy.
Yeah.
Yeah, big up me with my good self. If you want, guys, if you want customized jewelry or cigars and stuff, you can find us at House of Cigar on the 8th Street, Montego Bay.
Alright.
Wow.
Beautiful.
J Tex.
Yes. You see me? How many girls them link with them want?
Esotel. Mobile loud and large. Yeah that. Becky down today in your place, is it?
Yo people, it's your boy J Tex official. Yes, back at you with another one. Yes, and we are here with the beautiful
Mama P.
Okay, Mama P. You don't know the thing go. So, Mama P, I just two little questions. I'm gonna ask you, nothing too tough. You don't know the thing go. So the first one I'm gonna be, if I drink, I die. If I eat, I'm fine. What am I?
If you drink, you die, and if you eat, you're fine. No more ants, man.
You sure?
Ants.
People, she said ants. I'm gonna ask you the next one, and After that, me tell you the answer them. So the second one, what's full of holes but can still hold liquid? You must get that one, yeah.
What full of holes and still can't. What full of holes?
And can,
Sponge.
right, beautiful. All right, she get that one the right. That one the easy. All right, so thanks to your Mama P. You have an Instagram page?
Yes.
What's the name?
Pat Patricia.
Pat Patricia.
Yeah.
So just Pat Patricia.
Yeah.
All right, so we go follow her on Instagram.
Pat Patricia.
Tell them which part them can find you.
And the hip strip house of cigar.
Alright, so you can find Mama P at the East Strip outside Cigar. Don't forget.
Ears ring. See table. Ears ring. Jewelry. Volcano stone. Me have it. Me have it locked.
Alright, you don't know. Yeah.
Alright, so you're here with your boy Black Boy and we're here with the beautiful
Carl.
Alright, Carl. Alright, I got two simple questions for you today. Tell me one color that every Jamaican can smell.
Green.
The other one is, tell me what can run but never walks.
I can run but never walks. Never walks.
I'm another one there.
Alright, the water.
I water first come to my mind, you know. Water first come to my mind, but me I say another.
What starts with a E, ends with a E, but only has one letter?
Envelope.
She too bright, brother.
Ask some more. I'm on a roll.
Alright. What is full of holes but still can hold water?
Sponge.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Actually.
Don't ask her nothing.
Wait.
Don't ask her.
Why? Just one. Just one? You never put your face in there either.
What goes up but never comes down?
Age.
That too. Can be smoke. But yeah.
Yeah.
One next. Alright, I am so fragile. If you say my name, I break.
Another one there.
Silence.
That's
I'm brain ever high. You don't tell them JTX. Welcome back, crazy gang. And you don't know it's your boy Black Boy. Are we there here with?
Yannick James.
Alright, so Yannick, I have two simple questions for you. Tell me one color that every Jamaican can smell.
You have tasting.
What? What the fuck?
Hearing, feeling, smelling. Tasting, hearing, feeling, smelling.
Nice. I will tell you. I will tell you, yo, you're right, man. Alright. Tell me one thing that never goes down, always goes up.
Oh, that's simple.
Sometimes you be stressed and you don't have no money.
That's you know, stress go up and never come down for you.
But you do like you know I'm coming down.
For real, alright, thanks Yannick.
Alright, thanks.
Let's start with the wicked bicycle.
You there?
Bicycle. Big old KFC in Amabia town. A bad man thing, yeah. Top ranking. Bad man thing, yeah.
What makes your black feet? I pump rifle, a one counting.
Yeah.
I pregnant, yeah, but fantastic too.
Look out. Don't know. You see we are gonna take over YouTube with the whole of the thing I go. Look out.